Okay. The bags under my eyes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is like the warmest day it's been ever. It's gonna be like 87 today. So me and my friends decided to go to the beach, and it's Sunday and it's gonna be so nice, but it is Memorial Day weekend, so it's probably gonna be really packed. So that's gonna suck, but we want to take pictures and everything, so we're gonna turn this day into a beach day. We're gonna have a blast and it's gonna be so much fun, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. It's gonna be a beach day vlog. I'm gonna put some makeup on now. I know, why are you putting makeup on today? Well, I'm not going in the water, first of all, because it's like probably like 50 degrees. Second of all, I don't even like the water. Okay, I like the water, I'm just scared of waves. Third of all, I'm taking pictures, so I want to look good, but I'm not really putting that much makeup on. I'm literally putting on like bronzer and highlighter and mascara, so do not come for me. Before I get into this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and follow all my social media. It will be over there or down below, whatever. Okay, let's get into this vlog. I went tanning the other day at my friend's house and my front got so burnt, but my back didn't get anything. So I'm gonna focus on my back and then go back to the front because my back is white and my front is not. I need a bobby pin. Oh. I should have waken up earlier because my friend's coming in like 10 minutes. I have these like Cover FX drops and they are so fun. I'm just gonna look like a glowing freaking goddess at the beach. I've never actually worn makeup to the beach ever, but today I just felt like, you know, I don't know. I literally have 5 minutes, like, oh my god, she's leaving now. Well, I'm gonna finish off camera because this slows me down, so bye. Here's my bathing suit, just a cute yellow moment, and the back is really cute. Those are the strings in the back, and I'm gonna get terrible tan lines. So I'm taking my clickbait bag, and I just have my towel, my wallet, a hairbrush, and then I'm going downstairs to get my lotion and sprays and everything. I'm having a cute yellow moment, so I'm gonna be wearing these glasses, and let's go. Put it in the trunk. Hi. What else do you need? I don't know, I have a towel, I have a brush, you know, just in case. Hi. Hi. Oh, hi. Play. Uh-oh. What? Is that a dog? They're crazy. Oh my god. Save me. Are you turning into a house? Oh, babe. You were rich this whole time. You were rich this whole time. That's a house. That's one house. That's a house. Okay, so this part is really funny because you probably are like, why are you freaking out? It's because the road going to the beach we were at is all mansions in like the Hamptons and stuff. So we were like fangirling over how rich these people were and how not rich we were. So yeah. G-Wagon, oh my god, pretend I'm not looking at it. Oh my god, look at these houses. Oh my god.
So I was laying here and I feel a water droplet on my arm. And I'm like, what the heck could that be? I'm not by the water. And I think a bird peed on me. Yes. Hi guys. Okay, so we're gonna go take pictures. Oh my god, look at all the mansions. Wow. The water is freezing. Oh my god. Ah! Ah, I didn't want that. Some guy's pants are off right next to us while we're taking pictures. They're having sex. I don't know if you could tell on the camera, but yeah. What did I do?
I got the Cheeto on you. Yeah, you did.
I'm burnt. We have to go. I'm dying. It's kind of cold, but whatever. My front didn't get as much though as my back. My legs hurt.
How's it going? My nose is red. That's about it.
The freckles are out. I'm home from the beach. I'm in so much pain. My legs got so burnt. And it literally is on fire and it hurts. It feels like I literally am on fire. I definitely got some color though, and I'm super happy about it because I am so white and my freckles are coming through. It's so cute. I'm going to shower now. I'm in so much pain. Hi. Okay, so I just showered. That I'm okay. I'm not gonna complain because it's my fault. I did wear sunscreen though, which is the thing that I'm so confused about. Like I literally piled sunscreen on me because I know my back burns the easiest. So I was like, I'm gonna put sunscreen on. So I did, and didn't really work out in my favor. But my camera just started flashing, so I guess that's a sign for me to end this video. I was just gonna put cream on my face and call it a day. I'm in comfy clothes now, so alright, I guess I'll end this video now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my beach vlog. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.